Hello, Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Forest River GEO Pro by Rockwood, the 12RK. Single axle with the off-road package where we lifted it up a little bit. Nice off-road tires. We'll take a look here at the awning as well. There's your awning, cranks out. You do have the arms that fold out, hook into the sidewall there so you can adjust that angle. But nice full-size awning, give you a nice little patio area. You see the kayak rack on the top. I'll show you a few shots with the kayak we put up there for you. Two LP bottles on the front, both 20 pounds. Power tongue jack with the light on the front. 7-way pin holder. 12RK has a dry weight of 1,469 pounds. Spot for 2 batteries. Spare tire mounted under the front. You do have a step on either side. One nice feature here, you've got the cross breeze here, so screen door on both sides, you get good ventilation. The step that mounts right there on the tire, so easy to put that kayak up there, easy to take a look up there at the TV antenna. Wi-Fi Ranger, which gives you that boost, basically a router for your Wi-Fi signal. Your roof mounted AC. You are prepped for solar, so the solar panel you can add, trickle charge that battery. 30 amp service, your cable hookup, and your water connection as well. One nice feature here, you've got the nice enclosure on the back. All of your cooking, your water, refrigerator, everything is outside. And this top, as you can hear, it's starting to rain a little bit, acts as a little awning here to protect you in the kitchen. So electric refrigerator, USB charging port, and you got your receptacles. Little spot to open up your bottles there. Sink, you can disconnect this and do the outside shower connection as well. Your connection inside to tell you your holding tank levels. Microwave, little storage rack up here. TST. So the TST is basically your tire monitoring system. So it tells you the temperature and pressure for your tires. It's a safety feature that Rockwood puts in there for you. So nice little added on there for safe travels. On the side here, you'll see where the outside griddle and the portable table goes. All right, so there's your griddle, your little cooktop. I still got the plastic on it. Obviously, you get a knob there, a little drip tray that slides in for draining. And then you've got your prep table that hooks right there on the side. So, griddle, and then it tees right off of your LP down low. All right, going inside to take a look. Again, the screen door on either side. Plenty of room. TV. Your Furrion stereo system you can sync your phone to. Speakers. You do have heat and AC. Lighting. Plenty of room in here to move around, but it's basically just a bed. Storage rack above. You do have a heated mattress. Storage on both sides. Hey guys, real quick, I just wanted to take a minute to thank you for watching the video. Hope I answered all your questions. If there's a floor plan or a model that you are looking for that I have not yet posted, do me a favor, put it in the comments down below. I'll do my best to put it on as quickly as possible. Also, if you have not yet already, please give me the thumbs up. Also subscribe, hit that notifications, because I'm putting campers on almost every day. You'll get a heads up on what's going on, and you can be the first one to see it in case it's a new floor plan, new decor, or new options. Thanks again for watching. Scott Hudgins, Dodd RV.